Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so you can get latest video notifications. And this is absolutely free.
Hello everyone, this is Deepak. So today I am going to start something about CSS styling. So what is CSS? CSS stand for Cascading Style Sheet. Cascading Style Sheet. So by using the CSS we can do the styling, color change, background change. So when you will use the styling, so it will feel like something attractive. So let's start. I will create a file here. Basic CSS. Okay. Okay, so before going to that, so we have I want to say that we have three types of styling we can use here. We can use the styling in three ways. Three ways of styling. Three ways of styling. Sorry. First one is inline style. Second one is internal style, and third one we can use external styling. Okay, suppose the h1 tag, welcome to CSS, CSS class. I will copy here and paste. Okay, see, open with the live server. Welcome to CSS class. Just I will do the style here. I will do inline style. How I will do that? Inline, just inside that line we need to write here, inside that tag, style background color wait a minute, just I wrote here wrong. STYL, style background color orange red. I'll copy here and paste here. Copy paste here. See, welcome to CSS class, welcome to CSS class, welcome to CSS class. Okay, this is the inline styling. Inline styling is for the particular tag. It is also limitation. Okay, I want to change for the first tag, second tag and third tag. So need to change here color again and again. Suppose I have thousand tags. Suppose I have a 1000 tags, h1 h2 h3 something, we have up to 1000, so we need to change 1000 times, so it is very difficult. Let's go for the external. So I want to remove here. Okay, this was the inline. Okay, next is the internal. I need to write the style element here. Style is a style CSS property. Inside the style, I need to write here h1 selector. Wait, see, welcome CSS class. So need to write background color orange. It is applicable for the 3 tags. Again color white. Okay, next one is text align center. See, I want to do some more styling, like box shadow 0 0 10 pixel black. See, so this is the internal styling, but this internal styling for the particular page, particular document. Okay, it is for the particular page, not for the all page. Here also limitation. Suppose here I have I am using some SBI website. I am developing SBI website. There is 3 pages or some more pages. First page, second page, and third page. So here, if I am using here internal CSS, so it is for the particular page, not for outside the page. Then what I need to do that, it has disadvantages and limitation is, here I need to write the code, CSS code here. Again I need to write the CSS code here, and again I need to write the CSS code here. So same for the same. Here what I did here, we have 3 different pages and we are writing the internal CSS styling. Here I need to write, here I need to write, here I need to write. For what? For different color, for same color, for 3 pages. So we required blue color for the first page, blue color for the second page, and blue color for the third page, for the login page. So what we did here, we wrote here for first page again internal styling, second page internal style, third page. So common code. To avoid this, we need to use the external styling. So what we need to do, that we need to create a external file here, and we need to link this page with the external, first page with the external CSS, second page with the external CSS, and third page with the external CSS style. So let's do here. I'm creating here page 1 dot html, page 2 dot html, and one external CSS, style dot CSS. This is the CSS. Page 1, lorem 20, and again h1 tag inside, page 2, some paragraph, lorem 30. Okay, so here we need to write external CSS styling, body, background color red. Okay, so first of all we need to link with CSS page with the HTML page. So where we can use a link inside the head tag. Style.css. See, page 1, next one is page 2. I want to open page 2, but there's no linking. Okay, need to link here inside the heading tag, link style.css. See, okay, it reflected. Again, what I need to do that inside the style, first inside the style tag, in external style we need to change here color white. Okay, it reflected page 1 and page 2. Next one is font size. Font size 25 pixel. Okay, no need to write again and again in page 1, page 2. Just create a external file here and link with this page 1 and page 2 with the external file. See, padding 10 pixel. Okay, so here inline styling is used for the particular tag. Particular tags we use internal styling for the particular page. And external styling we can use for the a website. Thank you all. Please like, subscribe and share.